Hello and welcome everyone. I am Spursh and you're watching the Coding Corner. In this video, we will go through the overview of HTML, the tools we need, and a syllabus walkthrough. Please do watch this video till the end. We have something for you guys. So please stay tuned. Now, just a quick reminder. If you're new to this channel and wish to start front-end web development from scratch, do watch our previous video. You can watch it by clicking the little icon from the upper right corner. Alright, let's get started. So, the first question that arises in our mind is, what is HTML? Well, it stands for Hypertext Markup Language and its current version is 5.2 as per W3C, that is, World Wide Web Consortium. An important note, it is a markup language as its name suggests. Please do not misunderstand it as a programming language. By markup language, we mean converting the text or the information in browser-readable form at the server side, which in turn is converted back into human-readable form by the browser at the client side. A quick note on server and client. A server is a computer at a remote location which stores the files of a website, and the client is a device viewing the content of the website. Now coming back, HTML can be very simple at the beginning, but as we move ahead, it starts getting congested with a lot of elements. Locating errors while debugging becomes difficult in a code editor. Don't worry, we have specific tools for debugging as well, which is going to be covered in the further lectures. So, what are the tools that we need? Firstly, a text editor in which we'll write our code. You can use your favorite ones, but I would recommend a few such as Sublime Text, Atom, or VS Code. During the whole series, I'm going to use VS Code. So, don't get confused or panicked if the text color stands out to be different for you and me. Second thing, we need a web browser to view our web pages. Again, you can use your favorite ones, but I would recommend using Google Chrome or Mozilla Firefox. The link to these browsers and code editors are given in the description below. Lastly, your interest. We'll try our best to keep the content as interesting as possible. If you ever feel that some changes can be made, suggestions are welcome. I know it is getting a little boring now. Let us get some hands-on, just some basic code. So, here I have opened the VS Code. We will create a new file. And firstly, we will save it. Let us save it on the desktop. I will name the document as HTML Lecture 1. Select the .html extension from the list. So, the file is saved. Now, we will tell the code editor that it is an HTML document. Any HTML document starts with HTML tag and ends with /HTML tag, as you can see. All the tags will be explained in the further lectures in detail. Here, we'll write some basic code. Don't worry, we'll explain this later on. We'll keep the title as HTML Lecture 1. This title will appear as the website name in the browser tab. So, head part is over, coming to the body. We'll define a header, say welcome to our channel. Okay, the header part is complete. Now, we'll define a small paragraph here. This is our first lecture of front-end web development. Alright, let's save it. Here we have saved the file. Let's open our code in the browser. So, here is the website that we created just now. So, what are we going to cover? We will cover the HTML template, just the one that we saw in the code a few moments ago. We will cover it in detail in the further lectures. We will also see informative web pages containing different elements such as headers, paragraphs, lists, and many more. Next, images. Images play a great role in making a website attractive. So, here we'll see how to embed images into our website and make our website more attractive. We are also going to see some of the best resources to get free images. After that, we will see tables. These are one of the most important ways to display information. We will see how to create tables, insert information in rows and columns. Next up, forms. You might have seen the Facebook or Instagram sign-up page asking you for your email and password. Well, what's that? Yes, those are forms. We will see how to create forms, different types of inputs and validations on the HTML side. Now, this is what I was talking about in the beginning of this video. We have a small homework for you so that you feel pumped up and do not feel dull after such a long session. Design a website that contains your own information. Take a screenshot of the web page and post it by tagging us on your Instagram stories. The link to our Instagram is given in the description below. The website must contain your full name, your hobbies, and you can put your dreams if you want. A quick note, if your Instagram account is private, we won't be able to see your story. In such a case, you can DM us the screenshot of the web page. A big massive thank you to all of you for listening so patiently. If you have any doubts, feel free to leave a DM on our Instagram or on our new Discord server. We'll surely reply to your queries. Our Instagram link and Discord server link is given in the description below. And we welcome any kind of suggestions. You can leave one in the comment section below. We will surely take it into consideration. Do subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet. Click the bell icon so that you are up to date with the content that we post, and share this video with your friends. Till then, stay tuned and happy coding!